In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase storage in Dropbox. If you're running out of space in your Dropbox account, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the different options you have to free up space, manage what's already stored, and, if needed, upgrade your plan to get more storage. Follow along on your own screen so you can make changes as we go. First, sign into your Dropbox account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look at your storage indicator. This is usually found near the top or in the account area, and it shows how much of your total space you're using. This is important because it helps you understand whether you just need to clean things up or if you truly need more storage. Before upgrading, it's a good idea to clear out anything you don't actually need. Go to your files and start by sorting them by size or by date. Larger files like videos, old backups, or unused archives take up the most room. If there are files you're sure you no longer need, select them and move them to the trash. Then, remember to permanently delete them from the Deleted Files section so the space is actually freed. Next, check any shared folders you're part of. Shared folders count against your storage, even if someone else created them. If there are shared folders you no longer use, you can leave those folders to instantly reclaim that space. Also, look for duplicate files or multiple versions you no longer need. Keeping just the latest version can save a lot of storage over time. If you use the Dropbox app on your computer, you may also want to adjust sync settings. Selective Sync lets you choose which folders stay on your device while still being stored in the cloud. While this doesn't change your account's total storage, it can help you manage space on your computer and keep things organized. Once you've cleaned up, check the storage indicator again. If you're still close to your limit, it might be time to increase your storage. Go to your account or settings area, then find the plan or upgrade section. Here, you'll see the different paid plans available, each with more storage and sometimes extra features. Compare the options and pick the one that fits your needs and budget. After you choose a plan and complete the upgrade, your new storage limit will be applied to your account. Refresh your page and confirm that your available space has increased. From here on, try to review your files regularly so you stay well within your new limit and keep your Dropbox organized and efficient.